Hi guys, we're playing Meowdoku and this is level 58. So let's start. Alright, so far we have one. Nothing here. Let's maybe try there. Yes, alright. Now we have 2 cats.
Nice!
And 8 more to find. Maybe there. Alright. Maybe try there. Here. Alright. Now we only have 1 fish left, so it's tight. Let's maybe try there.
Nice!
Okay, then there.
Great!
Alright, now we have 6 cats. Here.
Perfect!
Alright, here.
Excellent!
Okay, here.
Amazing!
And the last one should be there.